Large-cap equity funds. These funds primarily invest in well-established companies with a market capitalization typically above a certain threshold, aiming to provide stable long-term returns. Small-cap and mid-cap equity funds. These funds focus on investing in small and medium-sized companies, offering higher growth potential but also higher volatility compared to large-cap funds. Growth equity funds. These funds concentrate on investing in companies with potential for significant earnings and stock price growth, often targeting sectors like technology, healthcare, and consumer discretionary. Value equity funds. These funds seek out undervalued companies, investing in stocks trading at a lower price relative to their intrinsic value, with the expectation of future price appreciation. Dividend equity funds. These funds invest in companies that have a history of regular dividend payments, providing investors with a steady income stream alongside the potential for capital appreciation. Sector-specific equity funds. These funds focus on investing in specific sectors or industries such as technology, energy, healthcare, or financial services, allowing investors to target areas they believe will outperform the broader market. Index equity funds, also known as index funds or passively managed funds. These funds aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, providing broad market exposure by investing in a portfolio of stocks that closely mirrors the index's composition. International or global equity funds. These funds invest in stocks of companies located outside the investor's home country, with international equity funds focusing on a specific region or country, while global equity funds have a broader geographic scope. Emerging markets equity funds. These funds invest in stocks of companies located in emerging or developing economies, which offer higher growth potential but also higher risk compared to developed markets. It's important to note that the availability and specific characteristics of these equity funds may vary depending on the country and investment provider. Therefore, investors should carefully consider their investment goals and risk tolerance, seeking professional advice before investing in any particular equity fund.